Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you would see that I went to this event this weekend and I am so in love with the makeup look that I did and my hair look and the dress, and luckily I filmed it for you guys. So if you guys want to see how I got this red carpet, I guess I should call it pink carpet, this pink carpet glam, then just keep on watching. Also guys, I'm getting over a cold, so if I sound a little bit nasally, that's why, but I feel a lot better. But anyways, I'm first starting out by just combing up my eyebrows like always. I don't know why I make this angry face when I do it. I never realized that until I watched this clip. I'm like, why do I scrunch my face like that? But I used my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze, and as always, all products used in today's video will be linked down below for you guys, as well as the exact shade names. Then for foundation, I'm applying the Lawless Conceal the Deal foundation, and I first went in with a brush and then I go in with my beauty blender. My skin is kind of breaking out right now, but literally it's gotten so much better since this video because I found out a cleanser that I was using. I started using a new cleanser a few weeks ago and it gave me really bad texture. So my skin is actually in this video improved a lot compared to how it was, but now I feel like my skin is finally getting back to normal, and it was just so crazy that a cleanser could do that to me. The funny part is I have 3 friends that swear by this cleanser, and for some reason it just did not get along with my skin, but y'all know I have really sensitive skin. So next thing I'm doing is I'm taking my Bobbi Brown corrector. You guys know I've been using this product for years. I first apply a little bit of that on my dark circles just so it cancels out the purple, and then I go in with the super light concealer. So if you guys ever apply a light concealer and you feel like you can still see your dark circle under it, that's because you should definitely color correct first and then go in with your brightening concealer. But anyways, as you guys can see, I'm starting out by contouring my nose, and for that I use my Huda Beauty Tantour. So after I shape that out, then I'm taking my concealer, which is the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer, and I'm taking that and applying it underneath my eyes, and this one here is in the shade Fair Rose. I'm applying it in a triangular shape, so I love applying my concealer after the contour lines just to help shape it even more. And then I'm also applying it to the bridge of my nose as well. And by the way, you guys can see my hairstylist behind me, Sylvia. She is doing my hair for me. I love when we can do this, so it takes me a lot less time to get ready, so I don't have to do my hair and my makeup. I can just focus on my makeup while my hair is taken care of. So I'm just also filling in my eyebrows right here. I'm using my NYX, this is the Lift and Snatch brow pen, and that's in the shade Ash Brown. It was a little bit hard to do this while she was doing my hair, so I think I kind of went back afterwards and I fixed it up after she was done. So here I am just filling in my eyebrows as well. Taking the same concealer that I use underneath my eyes, I'm also using that to clean up my eyebrows, and I'm using my BH Cosmetics Brush Collab brush for this. And you just want to take a really thin brush and really carve out the brow. Honestly guys, I want to go thinner with my eyebrows. I really like the look of thin eyebrows. I honestly love the look of like 90s thin eyebrows, but I know that's pushing it. But yeah, I definitely want to like get them threaded or something like that and get them thinner. I bet some of you guys listening to that are like, girl, you're crazy. But I just really like that look. Anyways, I'm just blending out my concealer underneath my eyes and really focusing going upward. As you guys can see, it just completely lifted my eyes and gave me such a beautiful like almond cat eye look. That is why I love applying a lot of concealer. I know we've been like loving the light makeup lately, and I tried that, just doing like the 2 little lines underneath my eyes. No girl, I like a full bright under eye. So then here I'm taking another cream contour product. This is the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics cream contour. I believe this is the shade Sunny or Beachy. Honestly guys, I feel like all the shades are really similar. The range isn't very different. Like each shade is pretty much, I feel like, just like 1 shade off. Anyways, I'm just taking my sponge again, and again, this is not a beauty blender. This is the Dose of Colors sponge, and I love how big and bouncy it is, and I'm using that to blend out the contour. So after I finish blending out all the concealer, I like to go back in with the cream contour just a little bit and go over the lines again, because sometimes it can get kind of lost in the concealer once I blend it out. So then after I'm done blending, I'm going to go ahead and take my Be Perfect Cosmetics Shapeshifter palette. I love this palette so much. You guys saw those 2 brightening shades, and then the contour shades are so nice. So I apply that first contour shade over the cream contour just to set it and also add some more bronzer. And then I'm going to be taking those light colors. Well, first here, I don't know where that clip went, but I did set my whole face using my Dermablend translucent powder. You guys know I swear by that powder. So after I was done blending that out, then I went in with the brightening under eye shades, and I'm using this really small brush from my brush collab with BH as well, and I'm using that to buff it underneath my eyes just to also brighten my under eyes as well. As you guys can tell, I love a bright under eye. So once I was done with that, wait, I think I'm still blending. Yeah, here I am, I'm still blending. So now moving on to the eyes, I'm taking that same bronzer shade from the Be Perfect Shapeshifter palette, and I'm applying that to my crease, and I'm just buffing that out. As you guys can see, I'm not very precise with it. I'm just really adding this wash of color to my crease, and I love, love, love this shade for like a warm crease transition color. It's so, so pretty, and it blends really nicely on the eyes as well. And then I'm grabbing one of my favorite all-time palettes, guys. This is the BH Cosmetics Hangin' in Hawaii palette. I've literally had this palette forever. I actually used this on my wedding day as well. But I'm taking this shimmery shade right here in the shade Pineapple and applying it to my eyelid using a small brush. And as you guys can see, it's super, super pigmented. I love BH Cosmetics so much. And I'm also taking some dark brown shades from the palette just to also blend it in my outer V as well, just to add a little bit of drama and definition. But I don't like to do super heavy eye makeup. I've learned this the hard way, that heavy eye makeup does not look good in like red carpet type settings and that type of photography. Your eyes can really get lost in the photo. So I'm also applying just a thin brown eyeliner. So this is kind of just to map out where I want to put the eyeshadow eyeliner, but this is the Benefit Cosmetics roller eyeliner in the shade brown, and this is truly like a light brown eyeliner. I know there's other brown eyeliners that they're kind of like dark brown. This one's truly a light brown. Then I'm going in with the Too Faced Lady Bold lip liners. This one here is in the shade Brave, I believe. Let me check for you guys actually. I was wrong. So I first went in with the lip liner in the shade Lead the Way, and as you guys can see, it's definitely like a rosy pink color. And then I went in with the shade, wait, I mixed it around. So that was in the shade Badass. I'm sorry guys. That first one was in the shade Badass. Now this one is in the shade Lead the Way. And I'm using that just to add a little bit of like darkness. The lip liner was really light that I used before. And I really like the quality of these lip liners. They're super buttery, but I also wanted to add just a little bit of a darker brown as well. And you guys are going to see I'm going to go in with my NYX Nude Truffle. You guys know that's one of my all-time favorite lip liner shades. And here I am applying more brightening powder underneath my eyes. As you guys can see, I really love a brightening powder. I know I've said I love a bright under eye, but literally brightening under eye powder is like a staple in my makeup routine now. But yeah, I'm applying the Nude Truffle lip liner here. And then on top of that, I'm applying one of my favorite nude lipsticks. This is Yash from MAC. So after I blend that out, I'm also going to be taking this Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics lip oil. I believe this one's in the shade Rose Oil, and I love the consistency of this so much. It's not sticky at all. And then I'm taking in a brush and blending that all out. Then for this blush, this is the Dior, I don't know the exact shade name. I know it's like 001 Pink, I believe. I love this blush so much. This went viral on TikTok. It was so hard to get your hands on it, but luckily my girl Alex Georgie put it on her story that it was back in stock, so I literally bought it in 2.5 seconds, and I'm obsessed with it. It's so pink. Then for my highlight, I'm also going in with the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics highlighter and just applying that to the high points of my cheeks and the bridge of my nose. You guys know I'm not the biggest fan of highlighter, but on a carpet especially, this was a daytime event, so I knew the sun would be shining. I definitely wanted to apply some glow. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I kind of did my makeup out of order. Like I typically would do my lips last, but because Sylvia was doing my hair, I wanted to leave certain things like my eyeliner and my mascara and my lashes and stuff like that for when she was done. So here she is just finishing up my hair. As you guys can see, she used the Got To Be spray. You guys know that's like the super maximum hold glue hairspray, and she's just, you know, tidying up the braid and fixing the baby hairs and all of that stuff. And of course I'm using that time to apply more brightening powder. She's also taking a little bit of brown eyeshadow and applying it to any bald spots I have in my hairline, which as you guys can see I do have, and that's not from pregnancy. pregnancy. I've honestly always had it. People are like, oh, your hair thin from pregnancy. No, like I feel like that's pretty normal to not have like a super full hairline, you know what I mean? But maybe I'm wrong. Anyways, I'm just fixing, not me, she is fixing up the braid, but then she finished up here and she was packing up. So I took some dark brown eyeshadows from my Makeup by Mario Master Mattes palette, and I'm using that to smoke out the wing. And you guys know I always take the edge of like a bottle or a primer and use that to give me a sharper edge for the eyeliner, and I'm just blending that out. I love the look of this so much. So I also went ahead and put in my earrings. So these earrings right here are from Miss Lola. I love their earrings so much, you guys. They have the cutest earrings. Literally anytime you guys see me wearing cute earrings, 9 times out of 10 they're from Miss Lola. So I'll try to find them down below, but I did get them a while ago. So now I'm curling my eyelashes, and you guys know I'm all about the eyelashes. So I'm first curling them, and then oh my gosh, my face when I'm putting on mascara. Guys, like when I'm doing my makeup in these videos, I'm genuinely doing my makeup. Like I'm not acting all cutesy for a TikTok or Instagram video. Like this is literally how I do my makeup. And is it even possible to do your makeup, do your mascara without this face? The world may never know. But I'm just applying my favorite mascara ever. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational. And then I'm taking my Lily Lashes liner adhesive, and you guys can use my code NAZ10 for some money off Lily Lashes. Applying that just to the outer edges because that's where I'm applying lashes. Then I'm taking my all-time favorite lashes, you guys already know, my Lily Lashes in Miami Flare. And I'm applying that just to the outer corner of my eyelashes just to add a little bit of drama. Then I'm setting my face using my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. So now onto Body Glow. So I love this moisturizer so much, you guys. Y'all know I'm a huge fan of Hemp's. I use that moisturizer every single night. But this one here was a special one for Pride Month. That's why it was like rainbow and stuff like that. But it has sparkle in it. So I love this so much more than most Body Glow or oils because it's a lotion. It doesn't add color to my dress or anything like that. And it's not sticky at all. So I love the fact that it's literally just a lotion with shimmer. So I apply that all over. Then I also went in with my iconic London setting spray that also has shimmer. And then I'm taking some of my highlighter and applying that to my collarbones and my shoulder. And as you guys can see, it gave the most beautiful glow.
Look at this hot mama.
You know,
sheesh.
I look good. Don't show my feet.
Sorry, I can't go with you. You look too good to be pulling up by yourself.
I wish you could come with me, Bunny. Bunny?
Vaughn has a little cold right now. Your Uber's about to leave you.
Why? Says that? Yeah. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope y'all enjoyed. I'm so obsessed with this makeup. It looked so beautiful on camera. And the dress is from the brand Lexi Clothing. You guys can find that on Instagram. And my shoes are from YSL. So I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, especially if you guys like makeup content so I know to do more. And also subscribe down below for more videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you again for our next video. Bye guys!